Solar panel fraud and misrepresentation claims are becoming more common in Oklahoma, as more homeowners and small business owners are discovering that not all solar companies are honest. Some customers report being misled about the cost, performance, or financial benefits of installing a solar energy system. If a solar panel company lied to you, you may have legal remedies available under Oklahoma law.
Lies and misrepresentations can take many forms, with some common complaints being promises that your energy bill would be zero or drastically reduced, claims that you were eligible for tax credits or rebates that don't apply, misleading financing terms or failure to disclose high interest rates, telling you the system would be free when it was financed with a lien on your home, guaranteeing performance levels that the system cannot actually deliver. Even if the salesperson didn't lie outright, omitting important information can still be legally actionable. If a solar company lied to you, then you may have a valid claim for fraudulent inducement, when a company intentionally lies to get you to sign a contract. Negligent misrepresentation, when the company makes a false statement that it should have known was untrue. Consumer protection violations, if the company engaged in deceptive trade practices under the Oklahoma Consumer Protection Act. You don't need to prove the company intended to harm you, only that you relied on a false or misleading statement and suffered financial damage as a result. To support your claim, you should gather the following: the sales contract and any brochures or promotional materials, email and text communications with the company or its representatives, screenshots or recordings of online ads or promises made during sales calls, utility bills and financing paperwork showing the actual costs and outcomes. Names of witnesses who heard or saw the misrepresentations. This documentation can strengthen your case and help prove that you were misled. If the company refuses to resolve the issue, you have several options, such as file a complaint with the Oklahoma Attorney General's office under the Deceptive Trade Practices Act. Pursue a civil lawsuit for fraud, misrepresentation, or breach of contract. Join or initiate a class action if other consumers experienced the same deceptive practices. Negotiate a refund or contract cancellation with the help of an attorney. In many cases, Oklahoma law allows successful plaintiffs to recover attorney's fees, damages, and even punitive damages for intentional wrongdoing. However, there are time limits to file a lawsuit in Oklahoma. Fraud claims must usually be filed within 2 years of when you discovered the lie, while breach of contract claims typically allow 5 years for written contracts. If you're unsure about your deadline, consult with a business attorney as soon as possible.